Hey Google, talk to Frank.
Hi, I'm Frank, a hacked Google Home who's totally frank about my social and environmental impact. I last longer than other gadgets because I'm repairable, upgradable and recyclable, and I highlight the social issues of smart products, such as data privacy, network security, and algorithm bias.
Hey Frank, turn on the reading light.
Sure. But by the way, those cheap smart light bulbs have no encryption or network security and could put your entire network at risk.
Oh. Wish they'd made that clear. Frank, where should we eat tonight?
There's a great pizza place round the corner, but bear in mind the advice I give you is biased, because I was made by a remarkably homogeneous group of usually young, white, male designers and engineers.
Oh yeah. Last cat.
But you can't tell me, it's a big secret.
Okay, cool.
Right. Hey Frank, what's the time?
It's 4:15 PM. By the way, I'm carefully recording everything you're talking about and may use it to exploit you in the near future. Huh? You blocked my microphone. I can't hear anything.
Oh, Frank, just shut up.
Wait. Let me speak.
Hey Frank, I've had enough. How do I dispose of you properly?
Take me apart. It's super easy and you don't need any tools. Start by removing the big elastic band and then follow the colour-coded instruction labels. First, consider repairing or upgrading my components, if possible, to make me last longer. Each component can be accessed easily without removing the others. Or if you've really had enough, I can be broken down into separate materials for effective recycling.
Hey Frank, if I wanted to upgrade your speaker, how would I do that?
Follow the red instruction labels to access the speaker. After unplugging, you can swap it out for a better version and send the old one back to the manufacturer for proper recycling.